In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a newsletter in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. The world of newsletters is fantastic, and Beehiiv is an incredible platform that makes the process both straightforward and enjoyable. Whether you're looking to promote your business, share your thoughts, or connect with like-minded individuals, Beehiiv provides all the tools you need to create something really compelling. So let's get started. First off, you'll want to log into your Beehiiv account. If you don't already have one, go ahead and sign up. It's a simple process and can be done in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is your command center, where you can manage your newsletters, subscribers, and analytics. Now, to design your newsletter, you're going to look for the option that says Create New Newsletter. When you click on that, you'll be prompted to choose a name for your newsletter. This name is crucial because it's how your subscribers will identify your content. Take a moment to think of something catchy yet descriptive that reflects the essence of what you're planning to share. Once you've settled on a name, you'll move on to the design interface. This is where the fun begins. You'll see various templates that Beehiiv offers, which you can choose from. Want something minimalist? There's a template for that. Prefer something bold and colorful? You can find those options too. Selecting a template can save you time while also providing a professional look right off the bat. After selecting your preferred template, the next step is customization. This is where your creativity really gets to shine. You can adjust the layout, change fonts, choose colors, and upload images that resonate with the voice of your newsletter. Beehiiv allows you to drag and drop different elements, making it very user-friendly. Play around with these options until it visually represents what you have in mind. Next, let's talk content. A newsletter is only as good as its content, right? So think about the main message you want to convey. It could be an update, an article, or maybe even a roundup of interesting links. Be sure to write engaging titles and introductory text that will hook your readers right away. Remember, clarity is key. Keep your paragraphs short and sweet to encourage ease of reading. As you're adding your content, make use of formatting tools. Beehiiv allows you to create headings, bullet points, and even embed links, which can enhance your newsletter's readability and engagement. Don't forget to include a brief call to action, inviting your readers to interact. This could be anything from checking out your latest blog post to following you on social media. After you've poured your heart into the design and content, it's essential to preview your newsletter. Editing is crucial here. Take a minute to read through everything, check for any typos or formatting errors. You want to make sure that your newsletter is polished and professional before hitting that publish button. Once you're satisfied with the design and content, it's time to decide on your audience. Beehiiv allows you to segment your subscribers, so think about who you want to reach with this particular newsletter. This feature can significantly boost engagement, as you can personalize what information goes to which group of subscribers. The final step is sending your newsletter. You will find the option to either send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Scheduling can be particularly beneficial if you want to ensure that your newsletter is delivered at a time when it's most likely to be read. And there you have it. You've just learned how to design a newsletter in Beehiiv. The combination of your creativity and Beehiiv's tools can lead to incredible results. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone else looking to enhance their newsletter game. Happy designing, and see you next time.